So how to create a multiple wallets in Tonkeeper on PC. So after you create a wallet in Tonkeeper on your PC and install the extension here, now just click on it and go to your nickname. Just click on this little arrow next to your nickname and click on setup wallet. Now you have this, if you have already existing wallet and you want to add it to your wallet, just click on it. If you have this net account, you can add it too, but in our case, so you have a lot of choices, but the choice that I want to show you today is this new wallet. So you will create another wallet from the start. So just click on continue. Now after that, make sure to save these phrases because this is the only key to recover your wallet if you missed it. So after you save your phrase key, they will ask you to enter it in the next step. Now just click and continue. Now the number 5 is solution. Now the number 9 is August. Number 16 is solid. So let's click on continue. After that, you need to set or enter a password. Now click on confirm. Now pick a nickname. Now enter if you want to add another emoji and click on save. So congratulations, you have set up your wallet. So now we create another wallet to our exist wallet. So if you open the extension, you will see our new wallet. So if you click on this little arrow, you will see this is the first one and this is the second one. Now if you want to create another wallet, just click on manage. Now as you can see, you will find this setup wallet from the top. So just repeat this process and you will add another wallet to your existing wallet. So for this, you will create multiple wallets in Tonkeeper on PC. So this is how to create multiple wallets in Tonkeeper. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.